Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you badminton enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Champion Sports All-Steel Shaft Badminton Racket, and trust me when I say, this could be the best badminton racket for singles you've been looking for. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this remarkable badminton racket, highlighting its key features, benefits, and why it stands out in the market. Let's start by discussing some of the outstanding features of this Champion Sports Badminton Racket. One of the standout features of this racket is its tempered double steel shaft and frame. This construction provides exceptional durability, ensuring that this racket can withstand intense gameplay and last for a long time. Comfort is key when you're playing singles, and this racket delivers with its dimpled leather grip. It not only feels great in your hand but also offers excellent control and reduces the chances of slipping during intense rallies. To up your game, you need a racket with heavy-duty nylon strings. These strings are designed for power and precision, making your smashes and shots more effective. The Champion Sports Badminton Racket measures 26 inches in length, providing you with the ideal balance between power and control for your singles matches. Now, let's talk about the benefits you can expect from using this racket. With its durable construction and advanced features, this racket can significantly enhance your performance on the court. Your shots will be more precise, and your gameplay will become more dynamic. Investing in a quality racket like this one means it will last you for many seasons to come, saving you money in the long run. The dimpled leather grip ensures that you have a comfortable and firm hold on the racket, allowing you to maintain control even during long and intense rallies. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, this racket is versatile enough to meet your needs, making it a great choice for players of all skill levels. Hey there! So, why should you choose the Champion Sports All-Steel Shaft Badminton Racket for your singles matches? We bet you didn't know that. In conclusion, if you're a singles badminton player looking to elevate your game, the Champion Sports All-Steel Shaft Badminton Racket is an excellent choice. Its quality, durability, and performance-enhancing features make it a top contender in the market. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts about this racket, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep smashing those shuttlecocks and playing your best game with Champion Sports.